Welcome to the Casual English for Beginners course. Are you ready to take your English speaking and listening skills to the next level? Whether you're looking to connect with native English speakers, navigate social situations with confidence, or simply enhance your everyday communication skills, this course is designed just for you. In this comprehensive course, you'll embark on an exciting journey to master the art of casual English. From greetings and introductions to discussing personal interests, daily routines, and making plans with friends, we'll cover a wide range of topics that you'll encounter in your day-to-day life. Throughout the course, you'll explore practical vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and gain a solid understanding of grammar to help you express yourself fluently and confidently in informal settings. Our experienced instructors have carefully designed each module to provide you with engaging lessons, interactive exercises, and real-life scenarios to ensure an immersive learning experience. You'll have access to a variety of resources, including audio and video materials, to help you develop your listening skills and train your ear to understand native English speakers effortlessly. In addition to the core lessons, you'll also have the opportunity to practice your newfound skills through role-playing activities, group discussions, and conversational exercises. Our goal is to create a supportive environment where you can build confidence and actively participate in casual conversations. By the end of this course, you'll have a strong foundation in casual English, enabling you to navigate everyday situations with ease. Whether it's ordering food at a restaurant, chatting with locals during travel, or expressing your opinions on books and movies, you'll be well equipped to engage in lively and meaningful conversations. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting language learning journey? Enroll now and unlock the door to a world of casual English communication. Casual English for Beginners, where learning meets real-life conversations. Let's get started.